Setting financial goals is an important step in managing your finances effectively. Here are some steps to help you set your financial goals. Assess your current financial situation. Start by evaluating your current income, expenses, assets, and debts. Understand where you stand financially and what areas need improvement. Identify your short-term and long-term goals. Determine what you want to achieve financially in the short term, within the next year or two, and the long term, 5 years or more. Examples of short-term goals could be building an emergency fund or paying off a specific debt, while long-term goals could include saving for retirement or purchasing a house. Make your goals specific and measurable. Instead of setting vague goals like, save more money, make them specific and measurable. For instance, you can set a goal to save $5,000 in an emergency fund within the next 12 months or pay off a specific credit card debt within a certain time frame. Prioritize your goals. If you have multiple financial goals, prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will help you focus your efforts and allocate your resources accordingly. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Divide each goal into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $5,000 in an emergency fund, break it down into monthly savings targets or identify areas where you can cut expenses to free up more money for savings. Set realistic and achievable goals. While it's great to aim high, ensure that your goals are attainable within your current financial situation. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and disappointment. Track your progress. Regularly monitor your progress towards your goals. Keep a record of your income, expenses, savings, and debt reduction. This will help you stay accountable and make necessary adjustments along the way. Stay motivated and adapt when needed. Financial goals may require discipline and sacrifices. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of the benefits and progress you're making. Be open to adapting your goals if your circumstances change or if you encounter unexpected challenges. Remember, financial goals should be personalized to your unique situation and aspirations. It's essential to regularly review and update your goals as your financial situation evolves.